Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arce. So in this video I'm going to organize my face makeup. Okay guys, I emptied this drawer. I put all here on the top, and this is the bronzer, blush, face primer, brows, concealer, highlight, setting spray, foundation, and face powder. So I'm just trying to organize. There are not much, but I'm trying to put one place for only for the face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this container. I got this one at the dollar store. This is what look like now after I organize my face makeup products. So this is the big palette. I was thinking to put the one here, but because this is so bulky and big and take all the space here, so I just take this out and put the one in here. And these products I'm going to donate this to the consignment. Let's go to this side. I'm going to show you this one here first. So I have this airspan face powder. It's translucent extra coverage. Then NYC also face powder, and this is in shade translucent. I have this Mary Kay. I used this one in summer, and I got this recently from CoverGirl's translucent honey face powder. Wow, face powder. I broke it, guys. I dropped it. And then I have this Simply Pretty from Avon. I got this one in a long time, and I still have a little bit, so I'm still using that. Let's go to the liquid. I got here back at the back. I got a Milani. I got 3 of them, different shades, and then I got Wet and Wild, and I got 3 and different shade. And I got a CoverGirl, another CoverGirl, this one, little one, Makeup Forever. And I haven't used that one. That's a sample. And this one, guys, also cushion for liquid cushion. And I got this one swap box with Rosel from Korea. And at the back I got that sachet sample, and I just put the one in there. And then I don't have much face primers, so I just put the one in one place here. Then I got BB Skin Maybelline, and then I got Wet and Wild Dewy Photo Focus. So let's go to the blush. I don't have much, but this is all I have here. And then I got 3 Milani. I got shade Tea Rose, Blossom Time Rose, and I got Coral Cave. This is my favorite one. And then I got 4 shade from Flowers, at a Warm Hibiscus, Wild Rose, Peach Farm Rose, then T5. Got this Clinique. I got this one from my mother-in-law. And so this is the shade looks like. Then I got this Ethos blush and this is Cherry Blossom shade. I got this one swap from Amy. I got Milani Baked Blush Luminoso and Blushing Rose from Jordana, and then MakeUp Obsession in shade I don't know, it's fancy something, but it's a coral. And this, I got this from Sis Amy during the swap. Okay, that's my blush. I put that one organized back. And then this side, I got a concealer. This is my first concealer that I have from L'Oreal. And then this eraser dark circle. I have this. I purchased this I think several times, so I'm almost running out, so I'm gonna get another one of this. I got this keel cover with this pencil. I got this one swap from Roselle from Korea. And then I got this Maybelline Dream Lumi. And I got another Maybelline. I have another 3 shade from Fro Conceal LA Girl. And then this side, I got a brows. So I have Anastasia Beverly Hills, Milani, I have a Revlon, and Jordana. And I got this NYC. Then this one Cake Eyebrows. I got this one from swap with Roselle. Let's move on to the contour. So this is the contour palette, but it's huge, so I just put the one here. And I got here a butter bronzer from Precision Formula, and I got this in shade Deep Bronzer. I have this bronzer. It's a light for me, but I still keeping it because I love the smell. And then I have this Fit Me foundation. This is a foundation, guys, but I use this using a contour because it's a little bit a dark shade, and yeah, it's work for bronzer. And then the first bronzer that I have, this NYC. This is the old packaging. They have a new one. I got elf and Wet n Wild at the back. I got Maybelline, and there's a blush, contour, and highlight. And I got the blush, and then this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. And let's go to highlight. The highlight I got is this from Swap with, and this is from Colourpop. And then when I ordered, I tried another shade, and this is a Stole the Show, and this is too light, but it's good when you are going to the events during the night. And then I got this Morello Wet n Wild highlight powder, this Megalo. I got 2 shades, She's Petals and Crown of My Canopy. I got this Freedom highlight. Then I got this Maybelline, and this is Molten Gold shade highlight HD powder, Starlight Glow from ELF. And Essence highlight powder, another Revolution Big highlighter. This is also from Amy, Sis Amy. And I got 3 Milani highlight. Also I got liquid one. This is L'Oreal True Much Love Me. Oh, that's pretty it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all guys next time.